Hello student, in this video we will do question number 3. If 10a plus b equal to root 3 and a minus b equal 1 by root 3, we have to find a and b. Okay, so 10a plus b equal root 3. So 10a plus b equal, we can write, this is our 10 root 3, where it is in 60 degree, yes or no? So we can write here 10 60 degree. Clear? 10 get cancelled. A plus b equal to 60 degree. Just put this equation number 1. Okay. Similarly 10a minus b, 10a minus b, you can see equal 1 by root 3. Equal what? 1 by root 3. Clear? Now again 10a minus b equal, again you can see here, where is 1 by root 3? In 1030 degree. 1030 degree. Okay, again 10 get cancelled. A minus b equal what? 30 degree. Question number 2. Now by adding equation 1 and 2, we get this is our what? A plus b equal to 60 degree. A plus b, again write this only, a plus a minus b. Why I wrote here plus? Because we are adding. Okay, so equal to this 60 plus this is what? 30 degree. Okay, so plus b minus b get cancelled. A plus a is 2a, equal to 60 plus 30 is 90. So a equal to what? 90 by 2. A equal to 45 degree. Clear? Again by substituting or by putting this value, by putting a in equation in 2. So what is our equation 2? A minus b equal what? 30. So what we got? We get what? 45 degree. Minus b equal to 30 degree. So we can write b equal to 45 degree minus 30 degree equal to b equal to what? 15 degree. So what we have to find, you can see in book, find a and b. So therefore a equal to what? 45 degree, b equal to 15 degree. Clear? That's it. If you don't understand this, just you can see here again. 45 degree minus b equal to 30 degree. Yes or no? So we can write 30 degree equal to 45 degree minus b. Yes or no? 45 minus b equal to 30. Then 30 is also equal to 45 minus b. Clear? So 30 degree minus 45 degree equal to minus b. So 30 minus 45 is what? Minus 15 degree equal to minus b. Minus get cancelled, b equal to 15 only. Okay, if you know these things, if you have clear concepts, then you can do this. Okay, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel.